In an historic first-time-ever collaboration between two industry giants, JWR Incorporated and Seabright Products, a machine that will forever change the standards of commercial balers the world over, has been developed, presenting the BaleWulf line of balers. Its uncompromising build quality comes with features like large top chamber opening, vertical interlocking ejection door. This ingenious design is not only better, but also a safer design for the operator. Optional 50 horsepower unit upgrade. Hydraulic hard piping in select locations eliminates replacing hoses. Removable wear strips. Progressive shear. Piercer.
Working with Seabright, their service and their staff has been tremendous to work with, more so than anybody else, any other company I've dealt with in the recycling industry. The purchase of the BaleWulf is an additional baler for us to move forward and to try different grades and different material, which it has met our expectations on all that.
Built for rugged use and ease of operation, like a remote greasing station. With wires stored on the machine through the door wire feed, using a slotted wire guide pan is convenient and efficient. Power units are located in an easy-to-maintain position with a containment tray. With the BaleWulf line of balers, your machine can be custom configured. You can buy with confidence with the BaleWulf's guaranteed trade-in value. Our commitment to your success goes beyond the sale. Every installation includes a factory tech startup to optimize the program for your product throughput. Professional after-the-sale support you can count on. Every BaleWulf comes with an industry-leading warranty, including a 2-year planned maintenance program. Our parts department is fully stocked with affordable OEM components for fast delivery when you need it. Another industry first. JWR and Seabright Products. Proud family-run companies located right here in the USA, with personal service that continues even after the sale. And real people who care about building and servicing equipment you can depend on for many years. It's time you had a choice. The BaleWulf line of balers. Rugged versatility with dependability you can rely on.